The BMW XM is a high-performance plug-in hybrid SUV developed entirely by BMW's M division. It combines a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 petrol engine with an integrated electric motor, producing a total output of 644 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque in the standard version. The more powerful Label Red variant increases these figures to approximately 748 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. It uses an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, with dynamic torque distribution and rear-wheel steering for better handling. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes around 4.1 seconds in the standard model and approximately 3.7 seconds in the Label Red. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but with the optional M Drivers package, it can be increased to 168 miles per hour. The XM includes a 25.7 kWh battery, offering an estimated electric-only driving range of up to 30 miles under EPA standards, or up to 55 miles under WLTP testing. It supports 7.4 kilowatts AC charging, which takes just over 3 hours to fully recharge. The exterior design of the XM is bold and aggressive, with a large illuminated kidney grille, stacked quad exhaust outlets, sculpted bodywork, and distinct M styling elements. Inside, the XM offers a luxurious cabin featuring merino leather, ambient lighting, a curved dual-screen setup with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen powered by BMW's iDrive 8.5 system. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Bowers & Wilkins premium audio system, and extensive driver assistance technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and optional hands-free driving on highways. The suspension system features steel springs, adaptive dampers, active roll stabilization, and electronically controlled anti-roll bars for a balance of comfort and dynamic driving performance. Despite its hefty curb weight of around 6,000 pounds, the XM handles responsively thanks to advanced chassis tuning by the M division. Cargo space is smaller than other large SUVs due to the design focus on luxury and performance. Seating is limited to 5 passengers, and the second row offers generous legroom but no optional third row. Pricing for the BMW XM starts around $160,000 in the United States, while the Label Red version begins closer to $185,000 and can exceed $200,000 with options. The XM includes a 4-year per 50,000-mile warranty and 3 years of complimentary maintenance. Owners have praised its acceleration and tech features but noted that ride quality can be firm, especially in sportier driving modes, and some find the exterior styling polarizing. Early production models have seen occasional issues with software and electronics, though these are generally covered under warranty and addressed through updates. The BMW XM is aimed at buyers who want super SUV performance with hybrid efficiency, bold styling, and a premium driving experience, setting it apart from more conventional luxury SUVs. Subscribe my channel for more amazing videos.